We are going to get started with swan dive. So we are going to do a couple of prep exercises before we actually do the swan dive exercise. So we are going to lie prone. So we are lying on the stomach, inner thigh squeezed, feet together, toes pointed. In case you find it challenging keeping the feet and the knees together, you can open them hip width apart, but eventually you have to get them together. Place the palms on top of each other on the mat. The forehead is resting on the back part of the top palm. Gently press the pubic bone and the front of the hip into the mat to get into the neutral spine. Pull the stomach in and up. Take an inhale. Open your mouth and exhale out fully. On the next inhale, lift the elbows off the mat slightly, and now use the strength of the hands to lift the head off the mat. The palms lift along with the head. Exhale, lower the head down, pressing the palms into the mat. You should feel some extension happening in your upper back. Couple of times more. Inhale. Keep that length that you have created of the upper back. Exhale, lower it down. One more. Inhale. And exhale. Place the palms into the mat. Lower the elbows down. Once you have mastered this prep exercise and you're able to do this without any discomfort, we'll move on to the next progression of swan dive. So we are going to place the hands under the armpit or under the shoulder. Forehead is resting into the mat. Bring the elbows closer, narrow to the body. Press the toes into the mat. Press the hip, front of the hip and the pubic bone gently into the mat. Pull the stomach in. Take an inhale. Lift the head, get the head in line with the spine. Now imagine there is a bug walking on the mat. Follow the bug on the mat, on the floor, on the wall in front of you to the point where the wall meets the ceiling. Exhale, keep reaching your breastbone or sternum forward as you sequentially lower your spine down, maintaining the neutral spine and the belly pulled in all the way. Exhale out fully. Couple of times more. So keep pushing the mat away from you as you sequentially roll your spine up, one bone at a time. You're not going to hang in your lower back. Exhale, keep reaching the spine forward as you sequentially roll down. So you should be able to lie down farther than what you started with. For the last time, inhale, take the heart away forward, take the entire spine forward. Take the entire body away from the inner thigh. Exhale, keep reaching the spine forward to lay yourself down on the mat further than what you started with. One inhale and an equally deep exhale. Once you have mastered this exercise, the next thing we are going to do is sequentially roll up to that swan position. Keep pushing that mat away all the while to roll up to the swan position. And now from here, keeping this position, turn the head to the right, down, around, to the left and then back to the center. One more time. On the left side, lower, look towards the floor, lift, look towards the right and then come back to the center. Now keep reaching the spine forward as you sequentially lower your spine down, one bone at a time. Once you are able to do this comfortably, we are going to do gentle rocks. So with an inhale, we are going to come up to that swan position. Stay in that position. Lift your hands to lower the chest and lift the legs. Press the palms, lift the chest, lift the legs, lower the chest, lift the legs, lower the legs, lift the chest. Use the hands to create that momentum. Going. Good. Couple of times more. And exhale. Last one. And exhale. Lower everything down sequentially. Once you have mastered this, we are going to do to the next version of swan dive. So we are going to place the hands by the side of the hips. Palms are facing up. Open the arms to the side. Get them slightly behind the shoulders. Make the palms face down. Lift your head up. The toes are pressing into the mat. Now take an inhale. Lift the chest. Lower the chest. Lift the leg. Chest lowers, leg lifts. Chest lowers, leg lifts. Chest lowers, leg lifts. Couple of times more. One more. And exhale. Lower everything down. Once you are able to do this exercise comfortably, we are going to go into the actual swan dive. So take an inhale. Sequentially start rolling up. One bone at a time. Come into your swan position. Now inhale. Straighten the arms in front of you to lower the chest, lift the legs, then lower the legs, lift the chest by imagining that you're throwing a beach ball behind you. So inhale and exhale. Inhale, throw that beach ball behind you. Couple of times more. Last time, and exhale. Lower everything down. Sit back towards your heels to take the child's pose. Couple of deep breaths here. Last one. Good.